Hey guys, I am Max and I appreciate you tuning in for this product review. Before we dive right into the review, I want to let you know about my 4 award-winning bonuses that you will get if you decide to grab a copy of this product through the first link in the description below. Bonus number 1 is Done For You Social, which is a program that is all about traffic generation through social media, and the best part is that we have actually done all the work for you. We literally give you a done-for-you social media business in a box with this bonus. Then we've got bonus number 2, which is AI Prodigy, a program in which we teach you how you can generate unlimited laser-targeted traffic in any niche by having artificial intelligence run a profitable YouTube channel for you. In bonus number 3, Cash Prodigy, we show you many different ways of how you can crush it online using AI, even if you have never made a single dollar online before. Last but not least, bonus number 4, Fiverr Rocket. One of the things that you need to do as a successful online entrepreneur is building multiple online income streams. And in this program, I will teach you how you can sell high in-demand services to hungry clients without you having to have any skills at all. And yeah, these 4 bonuses will give you everything you need to become a full-time online entrepreneur. And they separately are valued at several $100s, and they're still making daily sales, but they're yours for free when you purchase the product through the first link below this video. Your bonuses will be conveniently delivered to you within the Warrior Plus, JVZoo or ClickBank platform upon your purchase. I also want to extend an exclusive offer. For those of you who want to elevate their online income, I have a mentorship opportunity that could help you scale your earnings to $10,000 a month. If this is something of interest for you, then make sure to watch our free training webinar by clicking the second link in the description below. And now let's dive right into the review.